Leonard. I wanted to show you kind of what the Learn Smart is about because I did see that your grade was a little bit low this week as well. So I kind of wanted to go over, maybe there's some confusion about what needs to be done. But anyway, so this, when you go into Connect and you go to assignments, there's the Learn Smart study module. So I just want to go ahead and go in, and I will get to preview those as a student. So you're probably going to see something a little bit different, but I know you at least know how to get in to the Learn Smart because you have been in there. You were in there this past week. So let's just go into chapter 8, and it's going to take you to the material that you're going to want to read. So what you can do, you have a couple options. Table of contents is going to tell you where you need to go. Oops, I'm back to the original table of contents, I'm sorry. So let me click on chapter 8. And it's going to ask you, there you go. So it's going to ask you, a series of questions. So what you want to do is you want to try and answer the question before you even start to read this, because maybe you've read the chapter in the text and you don't need to go through a whole lot of this. So try and answer the question. So she chose an elevator to carry a maximum load. So if you're going to say, I have no idea, then you're going to hit OK, and it's going to take you to the material at some point. So the basis of the just-in-time is minimum inventory, and we're going to say, I know it. And so now I don't have to go through that part. So which of the following are resulting outputs in production process? So let's just say energy, goods, services, think so, but not sure. So I was kind of half right. So it might take me to some of that, but not all of it. Let's see. So let's just go. This might be, I don't know. Let's say that this is over here, and this one might go down here, but I'm not super sure. So I'm going to just say I'm unsure. And I was totally wrong. So anyway, you're going to go through this. Now, when you go back, and let me go back into Learn Smart, I'm sorry. But I wanted to show you that it will show you a percentage of how much you're done. And if it decides to go through again, let's see. So let's go to preview. And again, I don't think you'll have these problems because you don't have to go into any different sort of mode. But let's see if I can go back to the table of contents and it'll show me. So see, we did a little stuff and it'll show you the percentage of completion. And so you want to go back here before the due date and just make sure that you are partial, it says 100% and that you're done here. So yours, I think last week said 58% or something like that. So just make sure you go through the material until this actually says 100%. And so if I'm going in here and I'm 4% done, I'm reading the sections. And if you do the preview, those questions first, it's only going to take you to the sections that you need to work on. It's already highlighted the stuff that it feels more that whoever has done this before has felt it's important. So you want to read that stuff, and then it's going to ask you questions to make sure that you've retained what actually you have read in these sections. So, again, it should take about an hour, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, to go through most of the material for each chapter. So anyway, I hope this helps. And if you do have any other questions, let me know. Thanks, Leonard.